Alright, so roll this up. There's some hooks here. Roll this right up. Things go through the holes, and this comes right off. Got a bright green screen here. Okay, now just make sure you've unplugged this shit. This shit should come right off. Okay, so sorry, this comes off first. There's the two heat sinks. That's the hard drive, and that's why it's not. There's the hard drive. I'm going to tell you about that later. Okay, so that peels right off. Okay, so both sides you got this bright green shit. You gotta clean these first. This is where the heatsink compound is. And this is where you're going to be heating up. These two. And also these parts. And then both sides of it, even the back side. So that's over here and over here. And these two. You gotta take these off. Because this shit melts, apparently.